this to use as a hair care.
Even though my skin is so sensitive, okay, magnificent, and my hair.
So these are the results.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So hope you guys are feeling blessed today. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like, and here is my Instagram. Don't forget to follow me there also. So today I'm gonna talk about hair care and skin care. So I'm not much of a person who take care of her skin, so you can judge it from my skin, as you guys can see. So I would like to tell you, it's not something which I usually invest on. I barely care for my hair also, and barely care for my skin, so this is something new which I'm going to invest on. So first thing first, whenever I go to salon, they tell me that, ma'am, your hair are so damaged and you have to take care of them, you should take spas and something like that. So you know, we don't have that much of time to go to salon and get a spa every time or every week. So there is something new which I get my hands on to take care of my hair. So I would like to tell you about that. And one other thing I would like to add in that is, I got a product for my skincare. I usually hear from my friends that one should always use some kind of oil on their face to take care of their face. So as my skin is bit oily itself, but still everyone recommends that one should always use a specific kind of oil, which I'm gonna show you in a little bit. So hope I'm not talking too much as always, and let's get into the video. And
oh my god,
this is the product I recently got my hands on. This is MNT skincare, 100% natural, pure and natural, which is made in India itself. This is what you get out of the box. This is a face oil, night face oil, which is pronounced as Kukumandi Talim, blend of night face oil with pure Kashmiri saffron. It helps to brighten your skin and for healthy glow. The most important and the best thing about this product is it is 100% pure and natural, which I personally recommend you to please use that. The product which has certain kind of chemicals in it, I don't personally prefer that, because my skin is very sensitive and it does not goes with any kind of product which contains any kind of harmful chemicals in it. Let me tell you about the ingredient. This is 100% natural and so good. You're gonna hear it itself and you're gonna say yes, it is really good by hearing the ingredients. Yes, the first is Kashmiri saffron oil, yes, sandalwood oil, rose oil, cucumber oil, pomegranate oil, vitamin E, and turmeric, and argan oil, jojoba oil, calendula oil. So these are the ingredients this product has. So this is totally natural and it will brighten your skin. I have been using this for I guess less than a week now. I am getting results of that. Before I had more acne on my face, but now it literally helping me. So I'm recommending you to use this for your night care routine for sure, because I personally use it and it is giving me results, so it is very useful. So now I'm gonna tell you about the price of it. How much is it for? Is it worth it or not? Yes, the price you pay for is less than it's worth, I'm telling you, because it is so damn good. You can get it just at rupees 775. I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can get the product. So now I'm gonna show you how to use it. So this is how it looks from the inside. What I do usually, so I'm gonna first put some drops on my forehead, then I'm gonna cover some of my cheeks, and I'm gonna cover the whole face with some drops, the chin area and nose area and above my eyelids also. So after I have covered the whole face, I'm gonna blend it very smoothly and very nicely into my skin. So this product is so amazing. My skin feels so good and it has such a vibrant fragrance. I can say this love it, just love it. I'm telling you guys, this is so good and so natural. My skin is literally so sensitive that if I apply anything on my skin, it will burn, or it will burn, or it will have some kind of acne problem or patches, red patches all over my face. But these products, I'm telling you, this is so good. After using this, so I'm telling you guys, this is worth it. This is literally worth it. So do try this and share me your results. So now I would like to move on to the other product which I get my hands on recently, is this red onion hair mask with onion and black cumin oil. So this is the product, how it looks like. This helps to boost hair growth and hair fall control. So if anyone has problem for hair fall, this is really good. You should try this. The product which I want to recommend you guys, because my mother has been using it and she is getting the results. So now I'm gonna use it on myself. So let's see how it hair will look like after using this. As my hair a little dry right now, it's been 2 days I haven't washed my hair. So let me talk about the ingredient first. Okay, so what it contains. The best thing about these products is these products are 100% pure and natural. So this is something which I personally prefer. So this is the hair mask I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna show you the result of the texture of my hair afterwards. So now I'm gonna talk about the ingredients this product has. First, aqua water, red onion oil, and black cumin oil, pumpkin seed oil, neem oil, cocoa glucide, seam, olive oil, and castor oil, vitamin E oil, and fragrance amla oil. Oh my god, this is 100% natural and so good. Wow, the ingredient speak for itself. So how to use it? What you have to do is apply this mask for 5 to 7 minutes and then wash it with shampoo, and you have to massage it from root to end. So this is the direction it has given to use. Now I'm gonna talk about how much is it for. It is worth rupees 298, 300. It is worth it because my mother has the results. So yeah, so now I'm gonna show you how it looked from the inside, and I'm gonna apply it on my hair right now so you guys can have the idea. So this is how the products looks from the inside. So how to use it? What you have to do is take the product and apply it through the root till the end and massage it like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna complete the whole, then I will show you the result afterward. So now I'm gonna wash my hair, then I'm gonna show you the results. So hi, I washed my hair. So I'm gonna let it dry first and comb it, then I will tell you the review, how my hairs are feeling. So yes, let's dry it first. Let's comb. So these are the results. You guys can see the difference. After using this product, I can tell you, I can feel my hair are so smooth right now. Oh my god, the texture of it so smooth. I'm in love with this product. I can tell you guys, this is worth it. Only at rupees 300, this literally gave results like cello. It feels like I just came from the salon and I feel so fresh. I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can purchase it. Hope you like the video. Do comment down below, and I hope you're gonna purchase this product because this is very amazing. You guys can see the difference. My hair are so smooth. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, and I'll be back with some more videos. Thank you guys, and bye bye.